guys. Good morning, my people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please come in quickly. Good morning, good morning. Hello, my people. Good morning. How is my people doing? Good morning, good morning. Please quickly share. Good morning, Finance. Joan, good morning to you. Good morning, my lovely people. How you all doing? Lovely morning to you all. Good morning, good morning. Please come in. I don't have much time. It's a quick one. Come in and please share. This is important. It's important you come in and share because this is getting out of hand. This is too much. This is too much. The Bible says, he that cover evil will not prosper. I can't see evil and cover it. Now, it's not done. Please come in. Good morning. If you are there, comment. If you are just there, comment. Let me know you are there. Let me greet you specially. Oh, my lady, Obeto Juliet. Good morning, my darling lady. Good morning to you. Divine Lifting, my sister. How are you? How is the family? Hello, hello, guys. Hello, hello. Please quickly come in and share. Quickly come in and share. Quickly come in and share. This is important. Oh, no. This is important. Ah, come on now. It's important. It's important. I don't have much time, but I'll just do it sharply. It's important. Please quickly come in and share. Okay. You see the headline. You see the topic I put down there. Hurry, hurry. Let me even see what I put down on the comments on the headline. Hurry, 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 hurry. So I don't even know what I put down. Let me see. Let me read it out. If it's correct. If it's not correct, so I can edit it. All right. Lara Ben acted fake because she called me before all this drama. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah. My people, if you are there, comment. Good morning to you. If you are there, say good morning. When someone greets you, you should respond back. At least respond back so I can know you guys are right there. Okay? And please share. Share, share, share. You know, a lot of spirits watch on social media. If you just watch and you don't say hi, you don't say nothing, you just come on people platform to watch. You are a spirit, you are dead. You are dead among the living, sorry. It is what it is. You are dead among the living. You can't come on someone's platform. At least hi we do. Hello we do. As I'm saying good morning everyone. Good morning we also do. You respond back. But if you don't respond, my dear, you are dead among the living. Sorry. It's what it is. So my people, if you just come and you just watch like a spirit, you are a spirit and you will die again. So it's obvious you will die again. Yeah, mommy love don't know how to pretend. I love to say it's raw. It might be offensive, it's okay, but it's the truth. You understand? It's better you don't just stay on people platform, that you just be there, you don't say nothing, you don't even come on high. You will not be able to say. You are dead among the living. You are a monetary spirit and you will die again. Yeah? You will die over and over again. I'm sorry I start this program this way, but it is the truth. All right. Good morning, my better people. Angela, my love, good morning to you. Sugar Boo, good morning to you. How was your night? I hope you guys slept well. So, my people, yes. Why is a quick one? I don't intend staying 1 hour. No, I don't have the time this morning. I need to get busy. But what I want to say is this, my people. If you go, you check my headline of the headline of this video, you see what I put down there. Please enable to join me 6 p.m. is important over this topic. Eba Lara Ben claim me she's ujuju worry her, uroni worry her, she be nene family snake, she be blah 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 blah. Come on now. You understand? That's what I want to talk about. Okay, it's what I want to talk about, because this whole thing, oh Jesus, she called me before she started coming out. She put a call through on video call, just like she did to a no-gay. She put a call through. At first, because it was a video call, at first I didn't pick, because I don't pick video calls. If I pick video call, maybe I'm familiar with you, I know you, we are very close. You know, I have 3 people I put their video call in my entire life. 3 people that can talk to me on video call. No, someone else, no, nobody else can talk to me on video call. They know, wait till we won't discuss on video call. I will not pick. It would also be my papa, I no go pick. This guy called me on video call, and I didn't pick the call. I didn't pick the call. Oh, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Happy anniversary, my namesake. I greet you. Good morning, sir. Oh, let me quickly read that before it goes off. More grace to you, ma. Our beautiful mother in Israel. God bless you, ma. I can't see it. May the aroma of God's grace and mercy continue to flow through you and your generation in Jesus' name. Amen. Every Sunday, amen. Amen and amen and amen. Thank you, sir, for this money blessing you just released on me and my household. Thank you, sir. Happy marriage, happy wedding anniversary to you and mama. Happy marriage anniversary. Today, Pastor Alfred Odzion, my namesake. Today is marriage anniversary. Please, guys, help me celebrate them. Help me celebrate them, please. I beg of you. Happy anniversary, sir. More, plenty years to celebrate with, together with your love, together with your hearts. I love that write-up you put out there. It was so sweet to your wife and yourself. Happy anniversary to you, my namesake. Happy marriage anniversary. Congratulations to you, sir. Plenty more. You will live and enjoy her to the fullness. She will also enjoy you to the fullness. You both will grow. Hold together in Jesus' name. Nothing will come in between you guys in the mighty name of Jesus. What break other people's marriage will not break your home. Your home will succeed. You will see your children. You will excel in all you do in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's my namesake right there. Audion people, Audion, we are head in all we do. We are head. We are not the tail. Audion in all. We are the first. We cannot be the last. We are Audion in everything we do. Where others go to fail, we go and succeed. That's the spirit that goes with Audion. They are great people. Thank you, sir. All right. What was I saying? Okay, I said Lara Ben, the juju girl, claim juju girl. Ah, God, social media. I don't feel on Aguenta, so Aguenta, because this is the time. I wish this guy did not call me before. You guys gonna hear so many things later, and I'm gonna prove them to you. I wish this guy didn't call me. Hell, Baba, why are people fooling people on social media? Now we they rule the world. Yes, and I will. Oh, dear. Not God said. Now we they rule the world. You can say that again, sir. You understand? I wish this guy didn't call me. Maybe probably I will be also food. I will be food around as well. Probably. Because me, I easily I easily don't be carried away. Like other people, they no. I love to search my inner mind, my spirit. What's my spirit saying? I love to listening to my inner mind. And I've never been misled by my inner mind. He always talk to me. Even when others are clapping to one direction, my mind always say, other glitter is not good. See the right thing. You understand? So, I don't know why people keep fooling people on social media. A lot of dramas, a lot of lies, a lot of deceit, a lot of... Come on. Ah, shit. How would this girl did not call me? Look at her WhatsApp number. Her WhatsApp number is here. How wish she did not call me? Maybe, who who knows? Maybe I would have been carried away also. Maybe because maybe sometimes you just say, okay, if you don't have that discernment spirit, you will just somehow be carried away. You will join the crowd. They say na so it be, they say na so it be. You'll be saying the same, and that's the same reggae too, alongside with people. So my people, like I said, I don't have much time this morning. No, I'm very busy. But I'm coming back. What time I put down? 6 p.m. I have appointment 3. But obviously by 1 hour, 2 hours, I'll be home. I'll be home by 5. 6 p.m. Come on here. Come on here. How it was all planned out. All this drama, what they ticket me? What they ticket me? How they actually devoted to the talk herself? Come on here. Cha. God forbid party. Why is it somebody that traveled to somewhere coming back when she was on travel? She called me before she started acting all these dramas. If you not get money, wanna donate, make she take go Nigeria. I beg when I say give me free ticket, I say they go Nigeria. I beg, mommy love when I juvenji. How they forbid God when they use salt, take toast? How they forbid? I beg, I beg, me want go home. Oh. Next month, I need to get money. I beg, my people. Since I get money to try, I'm gonna see later they reach my body now. Every season. I beg not twice or once in a year, me see they go Nigeria. Once they buy ticket for me. I mean because they ask Juju of who shall me go out now? Juju of Urokorion. Juju, I consider ask my own now. For it. And because I don't talk, I'm not try, I'm not take me serious. I'm not take me serious. Every year, if I get free ticket money, I'm blessed. Free ticket money. If I get on a good thing. At least the money I they buy my own ticket, go see reserve for another expenses. You understand? Just not get money to throw away on social media. There are people in Nigeria suffering, terribly suffering. To even eat 1 square meal a day is a big problem. You know, see some of them, now they go out, now they go Nigeria. No, people who really need the help, they out there. People are dying daily. Children suffering, dying of hunger daily. When I see people who just be good actress, when they too carried away. I will just get no call me before she start all this drama. Maybe me for sleep for Mungu. Who knows? Which day she call me last? She sort her head, not be me. Now block her. I say, what nonsense is this? Even when she call her, no girl, I say, look, stop this nonsense. Stop this nonsense. Before she even call her, no gay. Any tab for now. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Let me get a 2 WhatsApp number. 6 p.m. God forbid that I know truth and I will cover. I know this is evil and I will cover evil. The Bible says that covered evil will not prosper, and I want to prosper. I cannot cover evil. God forbid. Not when I know about it. If I don't know about it, it's fine. But not when I know about it. How she plan it and everything, and I will not fold my hand. I'll be looking. No, that's nonsense. That small girl, 30-something years old, is sorting everybody in the name of one juju. Which juju the warrior? Every year she needs free tickets. Una hear more later. Wanna wait? May I bring WhatsApp out? Before I bring our WhatsApp, okay, I think I should even bring our WhatsApp out. Wait, let me bring our WhatsApp out first. Social media. Yeah. Look at our WhatsApp number here. You see it? You see it? Lara Ben, let me play her voice.
Hello, mommy love.
You hear that? Look at, I have so many of audios here. Okay, the other of a second WhatsApp number. I'm not seeing you guys comments. Can you guys hear me at all? This whole thing is just, it's nonsense. It's nonsense. Yes, it is so disturbing, insulting and seeing you all in the name of social media. Yes. If I quit, I wish to born that's a good actress. Me, I call her a good actress. If I quit born, it's a which kind of when I even know that she's faking whatever she's faking and adding insult to it. No. She not fear. She send me message. Maybe call my platform. Call her pan and talk blah blah blah. Ask me your big reso. Ask me your reso. Hey, mommy love, I beg. Go live. Go talking like this. Go talking like this. For real? For real? I ignore her. And she get mad. You guys will hear everything later. This is a Nigeria WhatsApp number. This is a number. You all know. All right, let me get the other WhatsApp. I block out the other one, actually. I block out there. No. Small picking not the... No. Me, I don't take shit, eh? So you see me, so I too go know myself. No, they not born you. Small picking, you can't stay waiting. You dey craze? Wait till they bring that kind of sense come. If I know my mate, eh? Would say maintenance over maintenance, they worry me. I know my mates. I know my level of a truth. Eh? You just be like that year where we say small picking, if you don't drink, you go there, you sort his senior. They'll say, leave her, that time, get off my brother. He do it twice. Now me beat the no say come on for your eye. Say come you the craze. Say wait till you the craze. You go be bad drink. We dey do birthday for our house. The bad drink finish. You come because my other brother beat time. You come back do like who drink where? You can't drink small. Come they cause my other brother. Later they break say sister. Iwa ba where man wanyo. And your bad as like I say I drunk. Cause brother that beat me last week and pin me. And he saw finish. She come they come say leave her. He drink and you be. What's here? And you no be. And you be but you can't confine me. Tell me say sister no drink not you. I know what they do. That beat your brother beat me. Me not happy put. Now but just say sis we all get party for this house. Now but you also make a your bad drink like say you know. Now just see the way I take his son brother. All my belly they sweet me. Now I say another occasion again consider one. Now me beat him. Now me beat that nonsense. Beat that say me don't know. You confess the truth to me. Say who you but they do all these things. Now me go beat you today. Now expose I say that day wait if I do not see what he tell me. They say everybody beat him for that as that day. Small people go bago drink or bago use one excuse or the other to tell you so senior. That's small picking you can't come over like gun. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Till they bring that kind of rubbish come. And they call my people, they look for a second WhatsApp. I know it tend to stay long. See a second WhatsApp, a Spanish second WhatsApp here. See, I actually block her here. See, I block her, I delete. See, so now second WhatsApp. So my people, see finish too much. It's too much, eh? 33, I've been 30 waiting. They sort we say bring that kind of nonsense. And if not the juju the warrior now, maybe it went on mao. Have you heard it don't want me? I want to go arts. I want ticket money to go Nigeria December. With this My people, I said this girl called me before all this drama. When she called me, I will explain details later. I don't want to use authority to explain nothing because they jump words. She called me. At first, I not pick video call. Now, let me prove something here before I go. I not pick. I know they pick video call from who I know. Even though I know you, I must not pick your video call. No. I said we get with a day. 3 people now they pick video call. Apart from that, 3 people no. I know they pick. So as she call, I not pick. She can't they call more than many missed call. I can't send message. Look at the God bless me. God bless you guys. Look at it. She don't call on video call. I not pick room buying. I know they pick video call. Now I can't write. I hope you guys will see it. Let me increase my lights so you guys will see it. Now because who is this? Look at the message there. Can you guys see it? Who is this? You see her up there? I said, call me on audio call. You also see her there? Look at it over there. This. Who is this? Can you call on audio call? Now I said, call me. No, not the. I said, call me on audio call. Look at the message there. I hope you're seeing it. After she don't call me with video call. I said, Nigeria number. Who be this? I said, me no, me video call. Even though we close, not be everybody they pick their video call. Just 3 people. Now they pick their video call. Apart from that 3 people, I don't pick video call. No guy they be. If you like, you be whoever close to my life. I know will pick. Now she come. Listen, guys. Let me quickly play this. I will just play this. Join me 6 p.m. later. Okay. So I can say, call me on audio call. Audio call. She called me on audio call. Now she can send me this audio. Listen to it. Let me increase my volume.
Hello, mommy love. Now me, Laura Ben, I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. Okay, we'll talk for audio. No wahala. We'll talk for audio. Hello, mommy.
You hear that? Before all these things start, she did travel when she called me. After she called me on audio, we can't talk. She can't talk. Actually, because that day it was Saturday, I was cooking. She can't talk. I can't laugh. Can't say, okay. But I didn't record her. No, I don't record people. No. No matter what. So, and she can't talk. I can say, okay. Even with many things, later I go relate with her. Time not day. I need to really go up now. So, after she talk finish, almost to talk finish, she can't say I beg. Whether if you put her for video call, I can say, okay. As it is now, yes, put it on video call. She can't show me things. She can't talk. I can't say, okay. No wahala. So, Naimo, I can't say no problem. It's okay. She did travel as I talk, so she did travel, she did somewhere. Person wanna say they mad or Juju the warrior. She go travel. What did she go do for travel? Everything. Where she go? What did she go do? Everything. How come about this whole thing that which they do for social media now? I'm coming to talk about it later. I'm coming to unveil everything later. Everything later. I beg. Me too, I need free ticket to go to Nigeria. I get it why they do for Nigeria. Where? I beg. For now, see they help me with free tickets. Me must I say Juju they worry me before I go. I help. My own, if I come out with my own go be double. My own style go be double because it's now free tickets every season. Now that they give one particular person the name of say he claims say whatever the warrior. Or even the deal this girl called me for, because me, one of my kind of person, there are some things you bring to my notice. I'm not the type that sometimes I'll just object you instantly. No. There are some things I will object instantly. I'll say, come on, please. But there are some things I will listen to your talk. I will listen to you. But how they do, okay, now they ain't. For me, for my mind, I'll say this person a very foolish person. Now, okay, now oh you. I'm not there in for nonsense. I'm not there in for rubbish. I'll just let you talk your mind and you just go with your wahala. How will this girl is not acting? She's going extra miles. See, and then I made a guanjo. That's me for you. I know we'll talk put. But because say you get what thing I watch will provoke me. May I show you now? Why? I don't cover, I know they cover evil. I don't intend to even cover this one. When this tie, when this getting the when she they use so. I don't cover her. And I don't cover no evil because I know about that this is evil, drama, blah blah blah. Do you understand? You know, some people are just confused. They don't know how to make money. They don't know how to go about to make money. They want to, you know, or get favor. They want to go out of their way to do shit. And then they forget the repercussion. That stigma that will be on them. No, they don't care about it. They only care about how to get, do people, 419 people, you know, trick people, act up to get something to get what they want. No. I'm green up boy, you know. What's the answer of you marrying your Igbo? And about your Igbo, I beg. Even about that Peking, I beg. Maybe I will just talk little about the Peking. I will just talk little. Because that Peking not get what you not get what you know for inside. Do you understand me? You not get what you know for inside. So that's it. You know. So you see, because when later I will go details. See what they vex me. This nonsense piss me off. This rubbish so piss me off about this small girl. She's a small girl. Yeah, she's a lady because she's not born. Okay. But not be one way that small girl come to the insult whoever. No, now. They say even call a pie the mafia. I don't know. I never watched that video. And then even she herself who call me say, you watch the video. You don't see what I do for there. No, I never watch it. Say make I try, make I go watch. I never see time. Take go watch her. I don't know what happen for there. Where she call a pie the movie. This girl, she's just acting up. She said, try go watch her. She they talk nonsense. Like she's really paving ways. She really they you know act up well. I just they look and say, gosh, what be this? What's this? What's this? My people, if I say I know won't waste time here. May I quick play this one? Share this video 6 p.m. Later, guys. Share this video 6 p.m. Please join me. Come and hear the truth about this old nonsense drama. Before it all, she started it. She confessed it. She told me. Come and hear it.
Hello, Jamo, on
iyore one of Paris. That was what me. My little sister. I try. You gonna have my sister. You get one Emanu red Nigeria as a whole. Ibieka Nime hope of 1 square me. They are out there. Mothers Nime hope of they are out there. Mommy me you go with my sister. You're one of Paris. Yeah, who watching no vision. Or what your video na gear and make a running. You get tickets in again, nah. She's acting up. And made the error, my sister. Don't make such a mistake. Where I will be very angry with you. When it's you, angry with you in the sense that I will not be happy with you in my heart. Because I know what it is up. I know what it is girl they at up. Do you understand? She married Ibo. Me Ibo buy ticket for her. She married Ibo. Me Ibo buy ticket for her. Or Ibo can even buy ticket credits and be paying, you know, Ibo life, most of their life na credit thing. You understand me? You understand, iyore? Why? We have to find that in Open later, 6 p.m. You're the one of Paris. You get tickets in you, truth. He can't go on, truth. He can't come here that way. You understand? If they're very, very open-minded person, he come here that way because he go near Maro Nigel deserve. You understand it, Bena? Since this girl born, what it don't involve since this girl born, wanna come here everything where she did act up all this thing they wanna go yeah come what it go happen now yeah come I they gonna give you the details later.
Only say one call.
What's up?
Nigeria, I will call him. You have a private number anyway.
Oh, you bought her the ticket already with 1 million naira gift. Really? Oh, well, it's okay. No wahala. Well, is that true? Ah, Jesus. Kaish. Ew. No. Why did he say some of us? You know, we are being carried away by everything we see, everything we hear. We don't search our mind, our heart, our inner mind. Is this thing real? Is this thing not real? We not just, I don't know. Where is okay? Let me continue what I'm doing. But I'm coming out to unveil the truth, the real truth about this girl, Lara Ben. Even the saga she did with Enogi, it was all planned out. Okay? It was all planned out. Even the saga, calling Enogi 12 midnight. She made mention of it when she called me. She planned it out. Okay? She planned it out. That one Enogi was just for her to grow up. Because nobody, she even told me to be like, well, later we'll go details, Sha. Later we'll go details. I hate when I'm talking, I'll be jumping important things. I'll be missing words. I don't like it. So later I'll settle down, give details about everything. Nothing is wrong with this girl. She's acting up. You guys will hear it later. Nothing. Awa rovie egbenoe. So boy Joma act up to rovie egbenoe. I have a visual. Any or anyoni or whatever it is. Ogbano wa owe. Owagbano instanta. Owagbano. What's your nonsense nire?
Only say.
Even before she even starts, she even planned what she want even how she want to deal with iyore. Act up to deal with her. Ah God, this life ain't no balance, Sha. No balance. No, they give help to people who really need and desire and truly in need of it. Not be. That's why. Where? Mo go for Gaima chop, you know. acting up. Acting up. Now how tire me, my people. More than they listen to the voice. Acting up. Code, blah, blah, blah. All this she discuss on phone with me. Acting up. If they're not doing like this, you not go sweet now, you not go look real. If she not doing like this, you not go bam, you not go enter. Ella, why have we twist every words in here now? No miss disorganized. Why believe you get it? So it's just, you know, it's acting up. Drama. Somebody said, why you not talking sis? Sis, where you know say na all lie. Why not talking sis? My brother, you look me like jobless person. Next time I take get time, I'll take talk. I'm not jobless, eh? I be family woman, eh? I have my activities, eh? You they see me for live video like twice a day or 3 times, like every day. I'm a busy person. Okay? Why not talking since? That question look very stupid to me. It looks stupid. I tell I take get time with this. I get something else to do this morning where I need to shift. Okay? Just to make this awareness. Say 6 p.m. later now we take get time. Okay? So don't ask me such nonsense question. You're one of Paris. I don't know why they laugh for cause. Basically, they curse you. Or for example, you don't laugh. You rebuke it. You reject it. You renounce it. When somebody is swearing for you, you don't laughing on it. It's like you have accepted it. You renounce it. Instanta. Say, not my portion. I rebuke it back to sender or however you want to put it. And one gay ball. Or my acting up in out of jealousy. Out of jealousy. And when she says she want to attack, you're the one of Paris. I'll come tell her later. Why should they vex for you're the one of Paris? The truth, why should they vex about you're the one of Paris? I'll come tell her later. Yeah, no, God forbid. No. Only a banaba we are one number one man enemy. Woman we bog wa giejo. Ma we go me no reject ugiejo. Ani aba a crowd aba we uma or uma. No. You don't accept anything that is negative to yourself or laugh on it. When you know this words no, it's not done. No. What you know is not meant for you. You reject it. You reject it. Oh, you when I understand. You're the one of Paris. Eh? I don't understand. Eh? See me see you. See, I don't sabi please people to displease myself. That's me for you. I don't know how to pretend. Can they please who? To displease myself for what? What idiot? What clear web bolo here fine let's you're blessing maybe any logo whatever. Which is not true. Now, see me see you on your phone. No, now it's not done. It's not done. Maybe when I get banned, you're the one of Paris. What they doing? Maybe 1 year, 2 years, or maybe up to 3 years or 4 years. I don't know. Eh? You are not but don't want to no, in other words, you accepted it. You receive it. If you don't do that, case of next time, there is power in the tongue. You don't accept it. This is she's cursing you in your hearing, into you. It's the thing. You listen at your back. And you are laughing over it. What for? You don't do that. You don't do that. If you really you understand the what how words are powerful. How words works. Or whatsoever. Or who reject it. I don't know who attack it, who reject it. And I'll give you no. By laughing over it, you that was you accept those causes. You don't do that. Iyore. For real, it's not nice. Good morning, Cha-cha. She said, "Oh, why?" No, I say you don't agree on that one. I bet now hear more things later. Beg. My people, time not day. Time not day. Yeah? Later, 6 p.m., join me. Let me settle down and break it down for you all. Why I said she's acting up. Before she start coming out, before she start coming out, she already alerted me. She already called me and said, look at what she's up to. Okay? Look at what she's up to. She said everything. We already travel here, so why? Yeah. She did everything. When she was on travel, we'll talk about everything. She planned it out. How she's going to build a page. How she's going to go to Nigeria. How she's going to acquire whatever. She said all that. And she's really acting up well. But it's annoying the way she's acting it up. Insulting people that is more senior, that is senior to her. You know, playing tricks on people. You understand? They say you have already given her ticket or whatever, or 1 million. It's a luck. It's not my business. You already have too much money to throw around. Let her throw it around. You already, I'm in Nigeria. This girl called me and said she's going home December. She's not intending going home now. She's planning December. December, that's what she said. She told me. You understand? Later, guys, I will give you guys details. Let me run. I need to get busy now. Later, we go details. And I'll prove some things. Okay? Okay? So, even the baby she gave birth to, everything, some parts of it, not all. Because that baby, I'm not kind of a Najena. That baby is whatever, but so that you guys, why I want to say some parts of that baby is because you guys, if you guys like her or love her, you go and advise her. Okay? This is Mayan, this is Spain. This is Mayan with this. This is Spain. You get why? So you guys will rush and go advise her before something gets wrong. Okay? She told me, whoa. And she's acting up now. She's forgetting that part. That's part she's going through in this Maya. She's forgetting that part. Well, no problem. I pray someone in Spain here do not take a step ahead of her. She'll be messed. I mean, she will have herself to blame. Now, not in social media they cry on, and we dare to analyze the matter whenever anybody cry on. Yes, foolishly we dare to analyze her. So my lovely people, 6 p.m. It's 6 p.m. I said, right? Let me see. Yeah, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Come and hear details on how Laraben planned all this thing. Come and hear it. And what she's up to, what she's not up to, everything. Okay? She have everything planned out. Those of Funa, where they donate money and beg. One donate. I know someone not donate to, you know, some people just have money to try around. But they pay me sha because people really need help. People really need help. They are out there. They don't see help. But people will not need them. People will not need them. People will not need them. Let me block this idiot. Let me block this bastard. Alright. People will not need them. Where they say they are good in acting, they are the one getting your help, your support. People that truly don't have need for it. People that truly can, you know, fend for themselves. Now they give. People will not get no help, no support. When I know they see those ones. If those ones even come on our way, when I not go help them. Well, it's okay. No say they say this life not balance. Not be the life not balance. People who did the life they not balance at all. Alright guys, 6 p.m. Later, join me on Laura Ben's planned work. Okay? On this whole mess, this whole thing going on right now. Wanna join me and let's unveil everything. Okay? Because this girl, maybe that time she came out, she to do the same shit. People probably also know because she confided in me to, you know, see everything out. Maybe that time also she also confined on someone or some persons. They never speak out. You understand me? They allow her fool everybody. Even them, I even do video about her. You know, they look for solution. They go how to bring solution. You know, for a problem. You understand me? Even Edo Union for Zaragoza, all of them even contact me. We are running a skater for a matter. Then she also have a way, ending up fooling everybody. She also have a way, and we go to Nigeria. Do you see she did any whatever? Yeah, put it there. She do any juju or whatever. Did you see anything like that? She was. I mean, well, later, my guys. Let me start going. Meanwhile, before I go, good morning, my mommy. I love you. I love you too, my lady. I love you too very much. Who is there? You for just okay. I'll block that person. Love you so much, my lovely lady. I love you too, Cha-Cha. I love you too. Yeah, by the way, let me also announce this before I go. Mommy love. Next month is next month, shall it's next month. Next month on my last born birthday. Next month is my last month. Next month is my last born's birthday. You know, I want to do giveaway on this platform. So please, get ready for Mommy Love giveaway next month. I shall have do it this month. I said, why do it this month? And my last month's birthday is coming up next month. I said, let me just put it next month. I should have done this month. No, I will put it next month. I'm doing giveaway, cash, and some other things, okay? Some other things. So look out for it. I'm doing giveaway November, okay, on my son's birthday, my last born birthday. All right, so look out for it. Oh, Vijay, good morning to you, divine lifting. Go. So yeah, don't forget, Mommy Love giveaway. Normally I love to do giveaway in Nigeria, but I will also do that also. But for now, on my son's birthday, my last born, I'm doing giveaway, you know. So have that in mind, and I will make a post about it, sha. I wanted to do it this morning, but no need. Let me just do it on my son's birthday. So watch out for that. Especially I will appreciate, especially those followers of mine that is in Nigeria. Okay, I want to benefit from it more. Okay, those my followers in Nigeria, those ones following me, not just following me. Oh, you are sharing my video. You are sharing my video. If you are not sharing my video, my dear, if you even talk you, I might not give you. Hey, this one a cash with the talk. So hey, go money. You understand? If you are not sharing my video, I might not give you. Or I might also give, but no. If you are not sharing my video, I will not give you. The truth be told, let me just say it now. If you are not sharing my video, you are a follower that follow me in Nigeria. This might give away. I will not give you. Okay? Please. You have to be sharing my video before then. Try now, be sharing my video, because I'm going to do giveaway. You understand me? I'm going to do giveaway soon. Happy birthday in advance to you. Thank you so much, Benny Berry. Thank you so much. So that's it. Okay, we'll be giving out so many stuff. I don't want to let it out, but money is today. I'll still give you that cash and some other nice stuff, you know. Hey God, oh. That day go too sweet. Oh, go to in fact, I'm so happy knowing that I want to, you know, do give away on my platform. It's better if I normally do it in Nigeria. Just give a palliative giveaway and all that, but let me do it on my platform this time. Whenever I go to Nigeria, I will do it. I will do as well. Yeah. So if you are my Nigeria follower, I'm going to, don't worry, let me not say much. It's too far, let me not say much. So my people, when I don't see you now, I get where they go. If I don't see that, so come on, live like when they had me. I bet they go where they go. Meanwhile, don't forget, Mommy Love product to lose weight and belly fat is also there. Okay. Happy birthday to you in advance. Amen. Thank you. Hey, that my bobo. That my last born. It will be 6 years November. Oh my God, he's growing so handsome. He's growing into an handsome man, you know. He's a man, no, not call her boy, not go agree. You call her a small boy, don't enter our for your hand. You say I'm a big bros. Not big bros. Now big bros. He go say no. Because I call her baby. My baby will say, Mommy, no, I'm not a baby. I'm a big bros. I all look and say, where which they missed born this one that day? Which they missed born this one? Just they claim big bros for my eyes. So the young shall grow. He's growing and growing to a very handsome guy, you know. He got swag. He got swag. So my people, let me leave you guys here now. Okay, let me run. Mommy Love, I'm not Nigeria now. Oh, you're not in Nigeria. Oh my God. This giveaway. If you are my good fan and you want to join hand with me to do this giveaway, you can join hand with me. The one I did last in Nigeria, nobody supported me. And I spent a whole lot of money. The one I did in Lagos, I spent a whole lot of money. You understand me? So if you are a good follower, God laid your heart to be a partaker, to bless someone, please partner with me. Let's bless. If you want to join me, no, you are very free. Anything you have, bring it. Okay, I will add it to what I have to give out. Okay, if God lays your heart, even though it's 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 1,000 naira, anything, you know, oh, mommy love, want to give money out. You want to support me? Feel free to support me. It's nice you support me. You know, those of us that have the heart of giving, you understand me? Because if you don't have the heart of giving, you can't do it. If you have the heart of giving, that's when you can do it. If you want to support me, I'm saying this now to everyone. If you want to support me, this giveaway, support me. If you are led, I always say that if you are led, support me. I strongly feel to do it. Even this month, I shall even do it like this week. But I said, okay, let me just shift it to my son's birthday. You understand me? So many things will be given out. Trust me. Money, I will not measure the rest. Cash. Let me measure only the cash. So the other things will be given out. So please, if you want to support me. That Nigeria, many of my mommy love, you didn't tell us. Mommy love, you didn't tell us. Mommy love, you didn't tell. Many people were like, you didn't tell us. You want to go to your papa burial, you not tell us. We not support you. You going to do giveaway. You know, we not. And I say for that burial, no, I don't need her. I can do my father's burial. So that one, I didn't just announce. I didn't even say it to anyone. I just go secretly. The only person I told I was traveling. I didn't even tell her it's because of the burial. Burial time I've reached. It's only Lily. I told her I'm traveling to Nigeria. Only Lily I told. I didn't tell nobody else. You understand me? So she didn't even know it's burial has reached. So she was like, why didn't you tell me? I said, I know what you can. If I tell you, you like to want to give me something for burial, but I don't want that. I don't want that. Somebody giving me no. I can do my father's burial. So I didn't need support on that end. But for the giveaway, the thing just come. I didn't even plan it. So, but I did plan it. I know how much I spend. You know, sharing. Millions go for it. So now I want to do on this platform. Mommy love want to do on this platform. I want to do on this platform, especially those people, those followers in Nigeria. That country is that country hard. Now only God. If you they eat, some people not see it. That's just the truth. Now only God know how some people they survive. So you understand me? So I want to do giveaway. Cash is for sure. And other things involved, but I'm not going to measure it now. It's too early. So later I'll make a post and share it out for the giveaway. Okay? So anyone out there you want to support me on this move of giveaway, you can support me, my dear, my darling ladies, men out there. You can support me, whoever. You can support me if you want. Okay? Because it's very good. Giving is good. You know, that giveaway I did in Lagos. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. That giveaway I did in Lagos. The money I used in doing that giveaway, God has blessed me times. How many times? I don't know. You understand me? Yes. You know, God has given me back. When you are good in giving, you will receive it back. That is sure. God will open doors. God will bless you back. Giving is very good. If you don't have the spirit of giving, cultivate it. You can do it. Giving is good, but give right, okay? Not this kind of Rabin also, where they say, iyore, I don't know if it's true. You know, sometimes you cannot just believe all comments, 100%. I don't know if it's true. They say, iyore have bought ticket and give her a sum of 1 million naira. I don't know how true is that, but if it is true, that money in a voice may enter. That girl, I planned whatever really works. You understand? She had it planned out. She discussed it with me. She planned it out. And I did say nothing. I was just like, okay. I'm not familiar with her. It was the first time she calling me. And I didn't know what to say to her. So I just said, sit down, look. Let me wash. And she's taking it like she's really acting up too badly. And hey, Evasiguma is here. Good afternoon. Is it afternoon already? Oh my days. It's true. 2 minutes after 12. Good afternoon, Evasiguma, my love. How are you? Good morning. Hope you slept good. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. So that's it, my people. Let me run, okay? I didn't know it's 12 already. It's even 2 minutes past 12. So, guys, see you all later, 6 p.m. Okay, let's come and talk about this. About Lara Ben. Okay? Let's come on. I'm fine. Beautiful mommy love. All right. Glory be to God for that. So let's come and talk about it. All right. And I'll be showing you guys stuff. Tell you guys all she said, all I know. Okay? About her. So I went next. This whole nonsense should stop now. It shouldn't be a seasonal thing now. Always and all the time. Come on now. I beg. If you not get many to try around. When I can't see buy me tickets. If this giveaway I want to do now, I wish I see tickets. I've go Nigeria, go do one. I don't see tickets. When I can't see, give me free tickets. May I take go Nigeria? You understand? When I give me, I will appreciate it. May I go look for those people really the hungry, those women, where really the hungry, when not get up of tomorrow. Go see share this man when I get around. Yes. If you not give me ticket, I'll do one. Yes. The one where small where I see gather. My own money, I'll go share around if they guarantee me of tickets. Eh? I be must have say Zenu Juju of Runugbe with the water before I can't give me tickets. I don't know why they behave like this. That's why 419 will never end. People that actually need it, you guys will not give. Except people that will not lie and fake it. That make a 419 not go end. You know, go ever end. Because you guys are encouraging 419. Eh? Now they encourage her. Later, I will also play this because I will have all this. I will try and have time. I'm not really cooking today. I don't think I'm cooking today. We will get time from 6 p.m. When I come here with see Lara Ben plan out. Before it starts all this nonsense. Eh? He can't forget. Say, she called me. Discuss how she will go about all this nonsense. I'm gonna go hear more story later. My people, na bye bye. Na ciao. Check me out later, 6 p.m. Yeah, Europe time.